Good morning to all. In this lecture, we will discuss the provisions related to Section 5 of the Prevention of Corruption Act. In this section, the procedure and powers of special judges for the trial of corruption cases has been provided. Under the provisions of Section 5, a special judge is a creation of the Criminal Law Amendment Act 1952. He enjoys a special status under the Act and is clothed with such powers as have been given to him by the provisions of the Act. Section 5 provides special powers to the special judges which are necessary for the speedy disposal and the technicalities involved in the trial of corruption cases. According to this section, a special judge may take cognizance of offences without the accused being committed to him for trial, and in trying the accused person shall follow the procedure prescribed by the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 for the trial of warrant cases by magistrate. In relation to the trial of corruption cases, a special judge has been empowered under the provisions of Section 5 to try the accused person without the committal of the corruption cases before him. He can directly take cognizance of such cases, and in trial of such cases, the special judge shall have the same powers in relation to the issuance of warrant against the accused person which has been provided under the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. As per Section 5, a special judge may, with a view to obtaining the evidence of any person supposed to have been directly or indirectly concerned in or privy to an offence, tender a pardon to such person on condition of his making a full and true disclosure of the whole circumstances within his knowledge relating to the offences and to every other person concerned, whether as principal or abettor in the commission thereof. So, under the provisions of Section 5, a special judge have been empowered to grant pardon to any accomplice who is acquainted with the facts of the case on the condition that he will present all the facts related to the case before the court in a fair manner and in true sense. Also, a special judge may pass upon any person convicted by him any sentence authorized by law for the punishment of the offence of which such person is convicted. A special judge may try the corruption related cases, and if found guilty, the accused persons can also be punished by the special judges by providing the punishments which has been given for a particular offence under the provisions of Prevention of Corruption Act. Thank you.